Okay, this is going to be very amateur. I'm doing this for Ray Glasser. He makes a big production out of when he gets something new. He likes to unbox it in front of a video camera. Found this locally here in town. It's a JVC CR-8250U 3/4 inch U-Matic record playback deck with a companion video editor. When I went to pick this up, this fella has had this since he bought it new, maybe put about 8 hours of use on it, and basically it's got all its original packing. It was bought in the mid-80s. It was bought from Midwest Industrial Supply in Cleveland. So here we go. Oh, by the way, the weight on this unit right here is 78 pounds. Here we have the operating manual. Bubble wrap for the kids. How often can anybody find something this old in this kind of shape? Amazing. Okay, here we go. God, these are heavy. And here's the top side view. Looking at the controls. Again, looking at the controls. Tracking meter. This will be the footage counter. This thing. We're all plugged in. We're going to power it up, see what happens. Okay, it's coming to life. Okay, we got the door open. Load a cassette. See if we get a fault. And let's try rewinding. And we have play. I'll be darned. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. Okay, now we're going to move on to the VE92 editing interface. Once again, the instructions. Cables. Oh, look at this. I'll have to read up on this, but this looks like quite a complex unit. I know nothing about these. I'm going to have to do some research on this. Okay, looking at the back of the editing deck or editor. And the back of the video deck. There's the BNC connections, XLR inputs, outputs, interface, and of course the tuner. Okay, well, that's pretty much it. Looks like I'm going to be having some fun with this for a while. This unit is just like brand new. There is no sign of any wear, scratches, anything on this. What a find. What a find. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks.